Good morning to everyone. My name is Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. I am going to explain now. The subject is Quantitative Analysis for Business Decision 1. Under this subject, unit number 4, Measures of Dispersion. Last video, I explained about measures of dispersion and range. Now, how do you calculate range? I'm going to explain now. We know that there are three different types of data. One is individual series of observation, discrete series of observation, continuous series of observation. Now we are going to study one by one individual series of observation, how to find range, discrete series of observation, how to find range, and continuous series of observation, how to find range. Here, one thing we need to be remember, whatever the different types of method of problems we studied in measures of central tendency, that is exclusive class interval, inclusive class interval, less than cumulative frequency class interval, more than cumulative frequency class interval, unequal class interval. These are the 5 methods of class interval we need to convert as exclusive class interval. Then we can solve the problems in this unit. Unit number 4, measures of dispersion. I am now explaining problems how to solve, how to find range. Here, individual series of observation. In this unit, we studied already absolute measure and relative measure. Absolute measure means according to the formula we will get. Based on the absolute measure, we will find relative measure, that is called coefficient. Each method or each types we will get coefficient. What are we are going to study in this unit? Range, total deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation. For all the 4 methods we will study coefficient. Now we are going to study individual observation, range and coefficient of range. That is what we have written. Calculate the range and its coefficient. Solution. Here we know first we need to find out largest value and smallest value. In this given value, 22 is the largest value, smallest value is 7. So formula will be written range equal to L minus S, largest value minus smallest value. 22 minus 7, we will get 15. So this is the range value. Then coefficient of range we will be find out. Coefficient of range equal to L minus S divided by L plus S. So 22 minus 7 equal to 15. 22 plus 7 equal to 29. So 15 by 29, the value is 0.517 is the coefficient of range. Then another example will be taken. Here also will find range and coefficient of range. In this place, the largest value 190, smallest value 140. We know the formula of range is L minus S. Formula, substitute the value 190 minus 140. Then the answer is 50. Range equal to 50. Then coefficient of range L minus S divided by L plus S. 190 minus 140 divided by 140 minus 140 minus 190 plus 140. 190 minus 140 divided by 190 plus 140, you'll get 50 divided by 330. So 50 divided by 330 will get 0.15151. This is the way we'll be calculating range and coefficient of range of individual series of observation. Now next, discrete series of observation. Discrete in this form of x and f will come, two rows will get. So in this, one value is fixed, number of values repeated will get. So solution in this, we need to check only in the first row, that is x column, x row. We'll be checking in that only. We need to be find what is the maximum value, what is the minimum value. Largest value of x will be 32, smallest value of x will be 4. So write the formula, range equal to L minus S, then 32 minus 4, then we'll get 28. The values of range is 28. Then coefficient of range, we need to be find. Coefficient of range formula is L minus S divided by L plus S. Here the value will be largest value is 32, smallest value is 4. So 32 minus 4 equal to 28. 32 plus 4 equal to 36. So the simplify of 28 divided by 36, 0.777. So this is the coefficient of range. Discrete series, how to find range and coefficient of range. Then another one problem. Here x values will be size, f value will be frequency. We are consider only x value. Largest value of x is 13. Smallest value of x is 3. So range L minus S divided range 13 minus 3, you will get range equal to 10. Then coefficient of range L minus S divided by L plus S, that is 13 minus 3 divided by 13 plus 3 equal to 10 by 16. 13 minus 3 equal to 10, 13 plus 3 equal to 16. So 10 by 16 we will get the values is 0.625. This is the coefficient of range. Then now two methods over, individual series of observation over, next discrete series of observation. Then now we are going to see continuous series of observation. Continuous series of observation, it is in the form of intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. We know very well because we last unit we studied. In that will be written, because of interval we need to find out middle value. Middle value how will you find? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So we will get a middle value. So now you can find out the formula. Here two methods will be there. One method using the middle values, another one method using the upper limit. Now using with the middle values we will study. Each one we found it middle value. Method 1. L equal to mid value of the highest class interval. Here what is highest class interval? 60 to 70. For that middle value 65. Then S is the mid value of the lowest class interval. It is lowest class interval is 0 to 10. Middle value is 5. So we'll get largest value 65. Smallest value is 5. So we can use the formula range equal to L minus S. You substitute 65 minus 5. So 60. Coefficient of range will get L minus S divided by L plus S. So substitute 65 minus 5 divided by 65 plus 5. So 60 divided by 70. 60 divided by 70 simplify, you will get 0.8571. So this is the way we will find out range and coefficient of range of continuous series of observation. This is another problem. is a method 2 because previous method we will used as mid value. Here without using mid value we can able to solve. So solution method 2, we know upper limit of the highest class interval will be considered as L, upper boundary, that is upper limit. Yes, smaller or smallest class interval of lower boundary, lower limit. So L equal to 50 because highest class interval is 40 to 50. In that upper limit is 50. 0, smallest value is 0 because lowest class interval is 0 to 10. So lower limit is 0. Formula range equal to L minus S, then range equal to 50 minus 0, then range equal to 50, coefficient of range L minus S divided by L plus S, 50 minus 0 divided by 50 plus 0, 50 by 50. So here both values are same. Some cases will get equal to 1. Majority of the cases will come less than 1 but greater than 0. 0 point always will get the answer. In this place coefficient of range equal to 1. So here end explanation of range problems. Here some of the problems, all the three different series of observation has been given. Then we can learn and get a practice. Any doubts or any clarification, please call me. Here one more thing we need to be remember. Whatever we studied in third unit, conversion of different types of class interval into exclusive class interval or continuous series of class interval, we need to apply in this unit also. Don't forget to convert, because without converting, if you solve the problem, that is everything is goes wrong. Thank you for watching. We'll see next video. Thank you. All the best for your future.